कलश कोई लगा दो यार। हेलो कलश।
हाँ अभी।
अच्छा यार ये बता, हमने जो जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया था उसका लेटर आया तुझे?
हाँ आ गया, एक्सेप्ट भी हो गया।
अच्छा यार मेरा तो रिजेक्ट हो गया, तो इंटरव्यू के लिए भी नहीं क्वालिफाई कर पाया यार। पता नहीं क्या कमी रह गई रेज्यूमे में।
तूने तेरी रेज्यूमे की क्वालिटी कहीं से चेक करी थी क्या?
अच्छा ऐसा भी कुछ होता है क्या?
हाँ, रेज्यूमेट करके एक साइट है, वो तेरा रेज्यूमे इवेलुएट भी कर देंगे, तेरे को स्कोर भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे और तेरे रेज्यूमे के अकॉर्डिंग तेरे को जॉब प्रोफाइल भी रेकमेंड कर देंगे।
अच्छा मेरे को एक बार लिंक भेज दे, मैं चेक करता हूँ।
हाँ भेजता हूँ अभी व्हाट्सएप पे चेक।
अरे कलश मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया। क्या साइट रेकमेंड किया है तूने यार?
Project Resumate. So this is the front page of our app. Here we have different sections, about home section, about section, services section. So in about section, so basically, what are the main problem in today's era, that to get your future secure. So how can you secure your future? By getting a good job. So in getting a good job, what is the main thing? That to build a resume. So by keeping this in our mind, we made our project Resume.
This is the services section. These are the three services we provide through our app. The first is uploading a resume, where you upload the resume to get the results. Second is classification, where the uploaded resume gets the preferred job profile. And the third and the main is analytics part, where you get the score of your resume, and even you get the suggestions and the result of every subtopics. And this is the login section of our resume, where user logins. For example, we are logging here an email address with random password, and you submit it. It will get saved in our database here. You can see here, and return back to home, and you can start uploading your resume and getting, you can get the score from this start button. Uploading a resume.
So this is our upload section. So firstly we choose a file. So here I choose a resume. After that it is uploaded. After that there are, click on upload. Now it is uploaded. Now we see that there are two options: getting job description or analyze your resume. So these are the two main important topics of our resume. So if I click on get job description, so you are seeing that here the resume is displayed. So these are so our site describe that this resume is perfect for Python developer. So these are the recommended skills that you should add in your resume. So if you want to add more skills apart from this, just click here. So these are the skills from the selected resumes of Python developer. So if you add these skills, the chances of being selected for that job will be increases. Thank you.
The next is the resume analysis part, where the uploaded resume gets the score and each subtopic score, where user can check his score, and here is the thing. Okay, so we got the review of a resume, and the score is 74 out of 100. And this score is calculated from 4 different factors, that is impact, brevity, style, and section. After displaying job, it shows how good is your resume, and you can check uh, each score from the scoreboard. Like impact has different sections, that is quality impact, repetition of verbs, spelling check, and action verbs. Brevity has its own subsections like resume length, bullet points, and etc. Style has its own subwords, and section has its own sub meanings. So when you click on every subtopics, you'll find the score of that subtopic. In this subtopic, the resume has got 0 out of 5. Here are the statement what the quantify impact means, and here are the examples how you can change in your resume. Like if you click on repetitions, you can get the score of repetitions, and you can get examples of repetitions, and you get the result of your resume, that your resume does not contain any repetitions. Like, and now if you click on brevity, resume's length, you'll find he has got 0 out of 8 because its resume length is 218 and it should be between 475 and 600.
Resumate has an easy to use user-friendly interface which guides you through all the analyze section of your resume. Resumate is all you need to create a winning resume. Join now and feel the improvement in your resume.
क्या आपकी भी नौकरी नहीं लग रही है? विजिट रेज्यूमेट नाउ जैसे मैंने किया.